Good morning, everyone. So today David and I are out and about by ourselves. Hanu has to work, not really work, he has a meeting, so he's gonna be doing that, and we are going to town by ourselves to find a random thing to do. By the way, this week David turns 13, so this is, stop sticking out your tongue, doesn't look good. So,
start the video over now.
No, we're not starting over. Stop, stick out your tongue out of your head. So this is kind of the road to David turning 13. David, how do you feel? By the end of this week, you'll be a teenager.
Yeah, and you are still an old woman.
Yes, thank you, I know. How do you feel?
Normal, just normal.
Okay, see you when we're in town. We have arrived in town after almost missing our bus. Well, David have really good eyes, so David saw the bus and said, "Mommy, look, the bus." So we started running, but we weren't filming, unfortunately. But guess what? We reenacted it. High five, David.
The worst reenact ever.
We'll put it here. You can watch the reenactment here.
Our bus. Mommy, look at our bus. Okay.
Now we're in town after reenacting our film. We're going to check out this hat store. It's like handcraft store, souvenirs and stuff. So David, take off your hat.
Nope. Nope.
You look like Farmer Joe. How this look for me? Does it suit me? Seashells. You know, this area, Portugal is very famous for corks, and they make everything from cork. So we found the big mall in Portugal, and it came to me that we could do a mukbang, David and I, because we're here alone, and we're gonna do an ice cream mukbang. I don't know if this is catching us properly. We're gonna do an ice cream mukbang. So, and we're gonna talk about his road to 13 years old as a teenager.
Wait.
And
no,
we're gonna do the translation, the PATOIS translation.
Mommy, I didn't sign the contract for this.
Well, we can send the contract now.
No.
Okay, I'll see you guys. Deal, shake on it.
No.
Where we're gonna talk about David's road to turning 13, and we're gonna give him some
Tips.
No, not tips. We're gonna give him some English words and phrases, and he's going to translate them into Jamaican patois. Good?
Yeah.
Okay, so we do all of this while. So how do you feel turning 13? How do you feel? Do you feel any changes in your body? Any changes in anything?
No.
Okay, so you feel like you felt when you were 6 years old?
No.
Okay, so you feel different.
Yeah.
What do you recognize?
I'm bigger.
You're physically you're bigger, yeah?
I'm uglier.
I didn't say it. You said it.
Yes.
Stop kicking the table.
I'm not kicking the table.
Because it's a good
Yeah.
alright.
Yeah.
So David thinks he's bigger and uglier. Well, I think you're still cute. So to the translation. Right. Stop kicking the table, boy. The place loud, you know. The place, I think you not hear we, but hopefully you not hear us. Are you ready?
Yes.
Stop shaking the table, Mr.
I'm
Man.
not touch this table.
Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
So, all right. So, David, the first phrase we have for you is "go away. I don't care."
Go away, I don't care.
Patois.
Gwalang, me not care.
Say it again, David. Come, me not hear that good.
Gwalang, me not care.
Gwalang, me not care.
Galang,
Alright.
galang, not gwalang. Galang.
I do not know.
Me not know.
Right? Go have a seat. Go and have a seat.
Sit down.
Sit down. All right. I'm going to spank you. What me that say? What me that say to you?
You're gonna give me one lick. She always says, I'm gonna hit you.
No, in patois.
I'm gonna give you a lick your foot.
I lick your fahrt. Yeah, I always tell him that. Alright. Alright, the next one is thank you, mommy, for always pushing me to do my best in school.
You know I say that?
I know you wouldn't want to say that. Thank
you for pushing me to do
No,
my best.
patois.
Thank you for pushing me to do my best and yeah.
Huh? You're kind of right.
Yeah.
You're right. All right. Open the bottle.
Open the bottle. Open the bottle.
No. What is this, a boy, man? Open the bottle.
Open it.
What me buckle? What me buckle?
I really don't know what.
You know, you just need to think about it. All right. Go on. Or go on. Yeah. Go on.
Move on.
No, how you that talk you when you joke around?
Gwalang.
Gwalang.
Galang.
David's word for galang is gwalang. I don't know where he got gwalang from. Okay. I am having a stomach ache. I'm having a stomach ache.
My belly hurts.
My belly hurt me.
My belly hurts.
My belly hurt me. Turn off the lights.
Turn off the light.
Turn off the lights. Say it good now.
Turn me off.
Yes, correct. Cling cling. The next one is I am starving. Translate that into patois. I am starving.
Me stop.
Mm-mm.
Me hungry.
Me hungry. Uh-huh.
Me
Or me dead for hungry. Is another one. Okay. Last one is you are the best mother in the world.
yeah, best mom. Yeah, best mom in the whole world.
Yeah, the best mother in the whole world.
Okay.
Try that. Say that.
Yeah, the best mother in the whole world.
Yeah, the best mother in the whole world.
Yeah, the best mother in the whole world.
Yes, good boy. Give me a kiss.
Nope.
He's not gonna do it on the camera. Okay, so that was the mukbang from David and I. Continue watching the video for what we discover or what we find in town. Bye. Hey. We have decided to go shopping for David since we're on the mall. David is addicted to fast food, so now he's dragging me all the way across town to find Burger King.
This woman is crazy, guys, crazy.
So me I walk with him go Burger King. You want me show them the Burger King restaurant?
Okay, show them.
See it there? So we're going to Burger King. See you when we get there. That's the camera. Thank you.
She took some too. We all love McDonald's, so don't say anything.
I'm not gonna lie. I love every fast food, but I just try to respect myself.
Me too.
Hmm?
Me too.
You too, and you're eating now.
I know.
Hello. So we're back, and we have finished our town tour. I'm tired. David, what about you?
Do not stretch out your tongue.
Okay.
Haha.
Put it back in. Yeah, so we're in the taxi going back to the hotel. I am hungry. Ooh! What?
That's what happened.
Yeah, that was almost an accident. So David has his shopping. I have my hungry belly. And I think this is where we're going to end today's vlog. Thank you for coming with us on the town tour, and yeah, we had fun. We didn't capture a lot of things because obviously we're not walking around with a camera filming all the time, but we captured a lot of things, and we did a lot in the mall and going around shopping and the mukbang and the translation. It was fun. And thank you for joining.
My present would be. I don't know what it's going to be.
He still doesn't know because I'm not telling him. But
oh, and don't forget to subscribe and give a like.
Yes, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Bye.